Hi guys, it's Miss Woolley. Today we're going to read Pete the Cat and the Missing Cupcakes by Kimberly and James Dean. Here is the title page. And I want you to pay attention to what happens to the cupcakes and what Pete and Gus do to solve the mystery. There's Gus, here's Pete. Pete and Gus were as busy as could be. They were getting ready for the cupcake party. It started at 3. Notice how 3 and B rhyme. There's going to be more rhyming throughout the book. They were making cupcakes for everyone. Pete and Gus counted them just for fun. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They had 10 when they were done. Oh no, hang on. Some of the cupcakes were gone. They were sure there had been 10. Pete said, maybe we need to count again. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They counted the cupcakes lined up straight. Now there were only 8. It looked like someone had taken 2, but who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found a clue. Gus said, "Look what I have found. Sprinkles on the ground. I bet it was Squirrel. She loves sprinkles." Squirrel said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been at the spelling bee." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. So we know it wasn't Squirrel. Let's count how many there are now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This was too weird. 2 more cupcakes had disappeared. Now there were only 6. Someone must be playing tricks. But who? Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Looks like some footprints of an animal. Pete said, "I bet it was Alligator. He loves to eat." Alligator said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been learning my ABCs." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. Now there were only, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Someone had taken 2 more, but who? So we know it wasn't these 3. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. Just then, they found another clue. Looks like the clue was a ladder to get up to the cupcakes. "I bet it was Turtle," said Pete. "I know Turtle loves sweets." Turtle said, "It wasn't me. It couldn't be. I've been swimming in the sea." Uh-oh, more cupcakes are missing. Come and see. What on earth was going on? All the cupcakes were now gone. Pete and Gus did not know what to do. They started looking for another clue. Looks like this trail is their next clue. I wonder if they'll find out who took the cupcakes. They found Grumpy Toad with icing on his face. Pete and Gus had solved the case. I am so sorry. It was me. I could not stop with just one. I ate and ate till there were none. So it was Grumpy Toad. Everyone agreed Grumpy Toad would have to miss the fun. He could not come after what he had done. Pete said, "But wait! Grumpy Toad made a mistake. This is true. Let's give him a second chance. That's what friends do." Pete told Grumpy Toad that they would give him another chance. He was so excited. He did a happy dance. The night of the party was so much fun. Grumpy Toad brought more than enough cupcakes for everyone. Pete the Cat's Cupcake Party. So now everyone's happy. The end. So now I have a couple comprehension questions that you can answer. First one is, what was this story about? Right, Pete and Gus finding how the cupcakes went missing. Number 2, what were some of the clues that helped Pete and Gus find who was taking the cupcakes? Let's give you a second to think about that. So one was the sprinkles that they found on the ground, the footprints, the ladder leading up to the window, and the icing on Grumpy Toad's face. Those were the 4 clues that they found. Number 3 is, was it okay for Grumpy Toad to take all of the cupcakes? No, he needed to ask Pete and Gus because they were not his cupcakes. So he needed to ask for permission. 4 is, how do you think this made Pete and Gus feel? Grumpy Toad taking their cupcakes. How do you think that made them feel? Right, maybe sad or mad or frustrated or upset because they spent all of that hard work making the cupcakes and then they just went missing. And I have 2 more. Was it nice of Pete to give Grumpy Toad a second chance? What do you think? I think yes. Everyone makes mistakes, so I think that it was very nice that they realized that Grumpy Toad made a mistake and gave him a second chance. How do you think this made Grumpy Toad feel? Yeah, it made him happy and excited. He didn't have to miss the fun. And then last one, did you like this story? Why or why not? Share with a partner or a family member at home. Thanks, guys.